Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to enable new details pane in File Explorer in Windows 11 build 25276. Before getting into the video, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. Firstly, you'll need to enable a Windows feature called Windows Sandbox. For that, search Features in Windows Search, and after opening it, scroll down, and then check the box of Windows Sandbox, and after that click on OK. After the changes are done, click on the Restart to finish the process. Now, after restarting, download the Vibe 2 from the link given in the description. After the file is downloaded, extract it to the following path. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator, and execute the following command. After executing the command, you'll need to restart your PC in order to see the changes. After restart, open File Explorer, then click on View, then hover on Show, and select Details pane. And now, you'll have the new Details pane for Windows 11 File Explorer. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.